2.4 megajoule capacitor bank that we energize the smaller magnet inside of a much larger magnet. So we're able to distribute those huge forces across a very massive magnet system.
Ross, you're all good to go. Start time now.